This presentation will initially introduce the lumbar vertebra. Then, the movement of the lumbar vertebra during extension and flexion of the torso will be reviewed. The 5 lumbar vertebrae are the largest in the spine, and they lack facets for articulation with ribs. The transverse processes are generally thin and long, with the exception of those on vertebra L5, which are massive and somewhat cone-shaped for the attachment to the pelvic bones. The vertebral body of a typical lumbar vertebra is cylindrical, and the vertebral foramen is triangular in shape and larger than in the thoracic vertebra. Between the vertebral bodies are tough elastic spinal discs. They provide a flexible cushion, allowing the vertebra to rotate and twist. Each disc has a tough outer wall called the annulus fibrosus and a soft interior called the nucleus pulposus. In flexion, the vertebrae are tilted forward on each other, so that the inferior articular processes of the upper vertebra glide upwards and forwards on the superior processes of the lower vertebra. The spatial orientation of these joints allows the upper vertebra to move forwards slightly over the lower vertebra. During extension, the inferior articular processes of the upper vertebra glide down into the hollowed superior processes of the lower vertebra, causing the upper vertebra to move backwards slightly on the lower vertebra.